my husband.
I know.
Honey, please, I want to remind you about the money I asked you for. Because I need to buy foodstuffs and my makeups too. My powder, my foundation is almost finished. And my lipstick, the pink one, that one that is always making me to look like an angel, is almost finished too. I need to get mascara. There's this new mascara you apply it to make my lashes to stand and it will make me more sexy for you.
Monica, you see all these things you're mentioning, all this makeup, you know I'm not in for it. You know I don't have interest in all these things, so talk less. You understand? I am not interested. Look, you are supposed to be clean at all times. God created you to be clean. And I am a norm. Your husband is a clean man. You need to be clean. As for the food, it's my responsibility. I will not shy away from it. But if you don't care, do you know that something happened yesterday?
Hey!
Ha.
What happened?
I spent almost all my time yesterday at the mechanics, trying to fix one or two things. When I finished from the mechanics, I decided to drive. Okay, no matter how late it was, let me drive and see if I can pick one or two passengers that will give me money. When I drove out, I ran into some hoodlums, some boys, group of boys who said they are this thing, that they want. Organ, what did I do? They said I must buy their emblem. Emblem? Which one is emblem? They began to do some mbari, rasmatas, doing this one, doing job. I said, no, let me tell you people, all these things you're doing, I know. I cannot fall into this your nonsense. Do you know what these people did? They are going to your office. When I arrived at their so-called chamber or office or what have you, I was expecting to see the organ, to say, okay, what? I did not see anybody. Do you know what I did? I had to pull back my seat, fell my seat and relaxed. Before you know it, sleep came. I slept off. After sleeping and I woke up to see if I am going to see the organ standing before me and discussing this. Do you know I did not see even the organ? Those hoodlums, even, none of them was there to be seen. They all scampered, they all ran away. Monica, my wife, it is unfortunate, yes, that I did not come back with any money. But I am happy I came back happy. I am happy because I defeated them. I am happy because I showed them that I'm a norm. A man who is abided under the umbrella of Psalm 23. So I am glad at that.
You came back happily, without kobo. How much was the emblem?
200 naira.
Permit me to tell you that you are stupid. Ezioku, I know you're my husband, I won't insult you, but now you are mad. So you're trying to tell me that because of 200 naira that you would have easily given to these people, that's why you came back to this house empty-handed and you expect me, your wife, to clap for you. Okuya? Is that what you're telling me? Now I'm asking for money to get my makeups, to buy new hair, to look good, and here you are giving me clumsy excuse. I won't take that from you. I will not.
Wait, are you against me or you're with me?
Of course I am against you.
You against me?
Of course I'm against you. Why would I be against you?
Monica, you are telling me to go and give this for 200 naira unclean. For unclean reason. I should give you 200 naira.
Enough.
Let me tell you, I am sure, or maybe you've not heard. Have you not heard about this change, this campaign for change and fight against corruption? Have you not heard it?
Okay, Mechiano, shut up your mouth. Let me hear one. Inoma, you are brainless. Inoma, you are mad. Permit me to insult you, my husband. How can you go to work and come back empty-handed because of 200 that you would have easily given to them so you can continue with what you're supposed to do for the day? Do not come back today empty-handed. You see this cook and boo story, I've accepted it. I will pardon you. But if it repeats itself, you will not eat food in this house. No, try me. Go out today and come back with this story.
I'll come and fill the form before back.
Okay, no problem.
This one that I filled form before I enter.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
Let me tell you, Monica, I am not a lazy man, though. Monica, I am not a lazy man. I am going to go out there and scavenge, hustle, and carry passengers, claim passengers who are going to give me claim money. You understand? I will come. I'm a full-fledged man. A man filled with life. I'm not a bru-bru-barabara man. I will go out and hustle and make money, carry good passengers, and they will pay me claim money, and I will come back to this place. I am Inoma, aka Inoma Clean Transport. I will not go hungry.
I don't want I will. I'm tired of I will. Ever since you married me, you've been telling me I will. Please, do it now. Make money. I need money. Hot Monica needs money. Why not needs money? Don't worry. Let me hear this story again.
That is, now, me a Did I not pay your bride price complete? Let me advise you. You see, this marriage thing is supposed to go this way. You bring rich, you bring poor. You bring beauty, you bring ugly. That's how they're supposed to balance marriage. If you don't know.
Listen, Inoma, I'm not coming for better for worse. I came for better for best. If you brought me here to roast me or to make me suffer like you, that won't happen. One day you just hear up and because I'm a what kind of rubbish? Every day you be giving me excuse why you won't give me money in this house. Eh? I'll use it to take care of myself. Can I explain so that you can happy natural? Yet you will not encourage me. Try me next time.
When the Reverend Father was asking me questions on the pulpit, on the altar, he asked me, will you take her as your lovely wife? And I said, I will. Everything he was asking me was under I will. So I will continue from then to now to ever. If you don't know.
No problem. I'm here now, because it's a Hebrew story and not a more. Today you will go home.
Madam Monica said.
You know I love you so much and I respect you. I wouldn't want you to address me as madam. Because I got married early. Please, my name is Hot Monica, the only fashion designer around. Do you get me?
Okay, Hot Monica the Sharp. Baby,
How was your night?
I'm good. I'm sleeping out.
I've been meaning to ask you this thing.
Okay, what's that?
What do you even do for a living? Because most times you go out in the morning, you come back at night. Sometimes you go out late at night and you come back the next day. I've been wondering, so I decided to ask.
I'm a study and work student. I work and I school. That's all I do. Don't worry, you won't understand.
Oh my God, you work and you, where do you work?
You won't understand. You won't understand, please. Let me step out. I'm coming back.
Okay. Hi! This girl is beautiful. Marriage, I am down, I'm supposed to be behaving like her. Enjoy like her. Enjoying life like her. Look at me now. If I can't enter the home, what I can they can marry just. We don't know. In fact, we'll suffer today. So what do go back go to town? Money na go be me. Ono kwa jam no e ma no trailer so ya no food.
You look like you are going to be stubborn. Shake body and go, or bring all your papers.
Hey, this man.
You said I should shake body, and I shaked my body. Wait, oh, I am aware that you know. As a matter of fact, IG has made it public that checking points are illegal. So what is your problem?
You want to teach us our job, are you? Well, get down. I say come down. I'll bring our particulars.
Where are the vehicle particulars? You think in a play we can't play here? See, we know they laugh. Where are the vehicle particulars?
Bring particulars.
Let me button my clothes now. Should I not button my clothes again? You want me to go naked because of particulars?
This man, you won't cannot play here.
In fact,
What do you want?
bring all your particulars.
All of them. Can I see? All.
Your insurance.
Insurance.
Your insurance. Don't ask me insurance.
My friend, do quick. Roadworthiness. Can I see?
Eh?
Roadworthiness.
Okay, your plate number receipt.
Eh?
I said plate number receipt.
It's okay.
Your driver's license. your temporal driver's license before the real license.
Your birth certificate. I said, bring your birth certificate. No, they ask me.
Birth certificate.
I said your birth certificate. No, they ask me.
The receipt of the car, of the painter who painted the car last.
Is it the former painter or the current painter? Because the other painter painted it before I went to renovate the car and repainted
I
it.
said the last.
Okay.
Yes. You think you are smart, Abi? Now, where is the receipt of the first buyer? And the second buyer, who sold this car to the last buyer that sold it to you? Bring the 4 receipts in a 1 year.
Alright.
Instead of settling
Even
up.
if you want me to give you the receipt of somebody I'm going to sell the car to, I'll give it to you.
Man, I won't play with you.
Instead of settling up, you're busy opening your eye, Abi. No problem. This one will tell you that. If you don't pay on your receipt, you're going to the station. And this is your car. You see this thing we carry here?
You are not a human, to what you can see here. The one that will jail you here. Now, bring the receipt of the air in this tire. Bring it now.
You want to
Bring
see the
it.
receipt for the air?
Bring the receipt of the air.
It's alright.
Inside this thing here.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. It's alright.
Oh, hey!
What are you running for? Why are you running? You asked me for all the papers, I gave them to you. You are running. So police can run at the sight of your number. You even left your bulala or your killer.
Hey, respect yourself. Inania, what I gave you was what you asked for. And when I finished making your dress, I packed your remaining material. I don't know what you're talking about. Do I look like a thief?
Monica, you lie. You're a big fat liar. Ozurigbo. My former tailor will sew materials for me and give me the remaining part. But your own case, you continue telling me that it's not complete.
Oh, this is shut up. Do I look like a tailor? My name, my nose, my hair, my makeup. Do I look like a tailor? I am not your former tailor. In fact, as a matter of fact, I am not a tailor. I'm not all this roadside tailor. I am fashion designer. I'm a stylist. Is it because I accepted to make clothes for you? Look at me very well. No, Tcharles, man. Do I look like your class? Take my hair, my makeup, everything. Do I look like your class? When you came here, were you not begging me? If you know what is good for you, get out of this place. Else, I will break your head with this iron here. Get out of this place. I cannot make Ebere.
You're a big thief. Ozurigbo.
Did you call me a thief?
Yes.
Now get out of my shop. Get out of my shop. I said, get out of my shop, idiot. I thought you're not scared. Come back here. Let me design your face, idiot. Because I pitied you and accepted your clothes. Very soon now you will see me. I'll be making clothes for big celebrities. Tonto, Dikeh, Ini Edo. I'll be sewing for them. Idiot. I will make clothes for 1,500 and buy medication for 3,000. Let me see now. I'm hot Monica. I'm not stressed on him. Stupid idiots. Come back to this place again. Puku ya last Sunday, you rap a crony roach and I'm at 1,500. You did not even pay me once. You owed me. Now, come here, Kaka.
Hello, David. Yes, I have withdrawn the money. And I'm in front of the bar now in PH. I'm waiting for taxi to come take me to the airport. So I get ticket from there. Yes, baby. Can't wait to see you. Mwah. Thanks for the money, honey. Chica, my darling. Yes, honey. I'm in the airplane now. They just announced that the weather is so bad. I'm confused. I don't think we're going to fly. Maybe I'll just come over and see you. I'll go tomorrow. All right, dear. I love you. Are you serious? Wait, it's like I have a call. Let me take the call. What is it? What did I walk you? Eh? Why you calling my phone now?
Come down from this motor.
What is it?
Come down.
Hey!
Come down.
See.
Come down.
This man. Huh? Are you with my phone?
Who has number of EFCC and ICPC? Because somebody like you needs to go and get a comfortable place and cool off in a maximum security prison.
Are you collect my phone? You think you've stopped me from making a very important call?
Oga, give her a phone now. Now hustle she dey hustle. Give her a phone.
Bro, see me, oh. Now.
You call this one hustle? So lying and cheating and saying lies about something you know that is not the truth is hustling. Eh? Look at you, you say, let me tell you, somebody like you needs to go and cool off there. By the way, Oga, let me ask you, what is your own occupation?
Oga, if you continue like this, to make money will be hard for you.
I don't need your advice. You understand? If making money is by lying and saying things that is not true, I will not make this money. I need a clean money. Yes, and I asked you before, and I'm going to ask you again. Who are you? What is your occupation?
My father is a dibia.
Okay.
I'm going to get some materials for sacrifice for him now.
Your father is a dibia, and he sent you to go and get materials for sacrifice. You looked around. All the taxis passing, you couldn't see any taxi to enter. It is Ino McLean Transport. Look at what is written here. Ino McLean Transport with Psalm 23 boldly written on it. You stopped me to enter. Let me tell you, I am covered under the umbrella of Psalm 23, which means Jehovah Boyena Something Katro. You and your grandfather and your father, your entire generation who have practiced dibiaship cannot do anything to me. You understand?
Oga, for the last time, give me my phone. Give me my phone, let me go my way.
Let me tell you, go and repent. Give your life to Christ. You're supposed to be a repentant. Look at how beautiful God made you to be beautiful, so that you can worship God. Instead of worshiping God, it's for you to be lying over nothing. Take your phone, take your lying machine, and continue with your life. Don't you ever enter Ino McLean Transport again.
How will you even enter this thing?
Take your phone, take your lying machine. Take your lying machine and continue lying.
Something is wrong with you.
Liar.
Oga, if you try and not send it, you can't take your car. This man.
Repent.
You're not going to repent, idiot. Imagine this man. See me give my own call. You're going to collect my phone for waiting now.
Let's go for another taxi.
Hey!
Inamadi killing a man, Mr. Up and Doing, Odikwa killing na Psalm 23. Inamadi upright here, Mr. Up and Doing, Odikwa killing na Psalm 23. Inamadi kwa up and doing, Mr. Up and Doing, Odikwa killing.
I'm playing trumpet. God, thank you very much. And I'm very, very tired. I'm famished. I'm hungry. I need food. Because
There's no food. But if you give me some money, I can quickly go and arrange something for you to eat.
Monica, I thought I told you to make do with what.
Manage what? Manage what I'm asking you. How can someone like me, make a soup without crayfish, okporoko, and azondo?
If you were a Sabbatarian, won't you cook without fish or meat?
Unfortunately, I'm not. I don't cook like that. If you want me to cook for you, you will take enough money for enough ngongwe jesini.
Monica, let me tell you. I've always advised you to adjust. Learn to adjust into any situation. When the situation is tight, adjust into the tight situation. When it is loose, adjust into the loose situation. Every day is not Christmas. Anyway, today went well, as a matter of fact, but the end was bad. Do you know that I carried 2 passengers? I never knew that these 2 passengers were unclean human beings. On my way going, one of the passengers who happened to be a girl. In fact, that girl, she's as unclean as a vulture. She is supposed to be handed over to EFCC. Give her a comfortable room in maximum security prison where she will be cooling off. You understand? The other one was a boy. Not just a boy, but the son to a native doctor who was sent to go and buy material for sacrifice. Can you imagine? In my own car, McLean Transport. Oh yeah, calm down. I had to offload those unclean human beings and continued my journey. Wow. Lo and behold, I saw a man. A man of God for that matter. In fact, this man was very clean. When I say a man of God, you know he is supposed to be clean. The man entered. We negotiated. He priced me very well. I carried this man. Wow, to his destination. Wow. Orito, complete. I took off. From the inner mirror, I saw that the man forgot a bag. What I did was, I had to stop, check the bag, then drove into a filling station, filled my tank with the money he paid me, full tank, started looking for this man. I went back to where I dropped him. I didn't see the man. I had to drive back to where I picked him from. No way. What I did was, I started running, combing town. Wow, from one place to another place in search of this man. In the end, I did not see this man. Before you know it, tank acha yellow. As the tank, I said, okay, let me see. Wow, Organa red. As it is on red, I said, no, let me not be driving next thing and the car will stop on the road. I had to manage it home. Believing that, or I concluded, in fact, that tomorrow I will continue the search. So all these things put together made me, this much hungry that I am.
Yeah. So you carried someone that forgot something in your car, and you used this money the person paid you to buy fuel. Okay? Yeah. So the money you managed to make, you used it to buy fuel.
Yes.
No. What is inside the bag?
Oh, we go. 110,000 naira.
Where's your?
A man forgot. In fact, a nice man. How could a man like that forget his money? 110,000.
110,000.
Is your cool?
Hey! Amaram nigemeo, kobi di mumao. Amaram nigemeo.
What are you singing praises on? You're singing praises on somebody's money.
No, I am singing praises to God. Have you not been hearing about miracle? Nah, this is our own miracle.
Which miracle? Which miracle are you talking about, Monica? Let me tell you. If this is miracle, how miracle comes, then I will not be part of it.
You have to be part of it. See, can go tomorrow now.
Hey! Ollie?
Please bring, let me take some.
What's the problem? Let me tell you, Monica, if this is how miracle comes, then I don't want this miracle. Tomorrow, I am going to return this money back to the owner.
Inoma, you are mad. You are stupid. Poverty and easy. You see this money? Over my dead body, will I allow you to take it back to the owner? Which owner? You see this money belongs to us. Tomorrow I will take money from there, run all the expenses that I need to do in this house. Cook stew, cook soup, cook everything.
When you wake up in the midnight and see my stomach swollen, don't think I'm pregnant because I'm going to sleep with this money. Yes! I'm going to sleep with this money.
Okay, I bet.
This money.
So you have up to 110,000 naira. With you could not buy fuel. On your way back, you could not buy ingredients for food. I am used to this your nonsense story. Forever.
Is it your money?
This money is our money.
I have finished returning this money.
I am no problem.
Every time I am no problem.
Cleanliness is next to godliness. Money number, near no. Hot money gonna no neche goni. Ijalonata nako okambu. Nekwaku nyanankosa.
How you doing now?
Okay, please, can you off this cigarette before we talk? On our Romafo. My intestines are not in peace now. Off it.
I'm sorry about that. I didn't know my cigarette is disturbing you.
Thank you very much. Now you know.
So how much is it going to cost? From Emene to Gariki, and then from Gariki to Kenyatta. I'm not going outside the town, it's just within.
No. Don't be angry at this. What is your occupation?
I'm a businessman.
Ashi? Lie! You're not a businessman. Because standing by the roadside smoking cigarettes and by the frame on your face, how your face is looked, does not show that you're a clean human being. And I am sure, I don't need a soothsayer to tell me that these goods you want me to go and carry for you and drop as stolen items.
Hey, watch your mouth.
This car is clean. You cannot come into this car to pollute it for me. So I'm not going to carry any goods.
What is wrong with you, this man? Is this how you make customers? So why would you judge me by standing on the road here?
Before you stopped me, did you not read what is written on my car? Inoma Clean Transport, aka Psalm 23, which means Jehovah Boy na some Dikeh. You understand? So I don't need all this. You cannot come into this car and pollute it. I don't need unclean human beings like you. as a passenger.
So you have special people you pick. Is this how you make customers, this guy?
Yes, I carry people who are clean, not unclean.
How do you know I'm not clean?
You get a better person, come and tell you that your mates are in school, some of them are in churches, praying to God, and you are here smoking cigars.
My mates are in school. Let me tell you, I'm a graduate.
I don't
okay?
I don't blame
what
you.
is wrong with this man? This is how you work?
I don't blame you. I blame your parents. If they had given you good upbringing, you wouldn't be here so long.
Let's look at this man. Because it's bigger boy. Imagine, look at this man. Just because he saw me smoking cigarettes and he just concluded that I'm a thief. Just thank your God I'm in a good mood.
Please, I beg of you, please. When next you want to come early in the morning or late at night when my husband will be around. He has gone for work and I don't have enough money with me. I would have paid you, but we will pay you as soon as possible, I promise, please.
Monica, tell your husband to pay me my money. Tell him I'm giving him from now to Sunday to pay my money. If by Sunday I fail to see my money, I will lock the both of you inside this house.
Okay, landlord, Biko, just give us a little time. Na condition they are bend their crayfish. He is open no food powder. He will make over. But what I'm trying to say is, please give us time. We will pay you your money. Biko.
Did I build this house with you people? From Ghana. Tell him by Sunday, let him pay me my money. If he fails to give me my money by Sunday, hey,
Monica, you have suffered. What, Monica, you have suffered? What kind of useless man did I get married to? The other day, someone forgot 110 good thousand naira in his car. But what did my husband do? He stupidly took it back to the owner. Noreba na narum pali 26,000. Assuming this money is here now, assuming we have the money, we would have paid this man 26,000 and we'll have extra 94,000 naira. Until I can wear 30,000, go see my makeups. Because I have to look good. Can they hot? So if I name from there, we'll now buy food stores, go to Okoko, go to Jima, go Mururi Hendia. But there is no money. My husband stupidly took the money back. In fact, enough of this nonsense. Let him come back today with all this cock and bull story. Money I get new food trouser. I won't take it again, no.
Inamadi kalina mano, Mr. Up and doing, Odi bakalina, some 20. Inamadi upright here, Mr. Up and doing, Odi bakalina, some 20. Inamadi up and doing, Mr. Up and doing, Odi bakalina, some 20.
Choma, where are you going?
I'm going to
Transekulu.
Transekulu.
Who are you going to see in Transekulu?
I'm going to see somebody.
Somebody?
Yes.
Who is the somebody?
I'm going to see my uncle.
To see your uncle?
Yeah.
Choma, let it be your uncle.
How much will you take me there?
No, I don't talk price. Usually I don't talk price, until I arrive at the destination. Because sometimes people pay above or below. And I feel bad when people pay above. I might charge you 2,000 naira now. And in the end, the journey is 900 naira journey. The balance will not be a clean money to me. So any money I get, I make sure it is a clean money. I don't want to, take people's money unnecessarily.
Oh. All right, no problem. Get to that junction. You take your right. That's where I'm going to.
Okay. Please. Who is in my car?
It's me, Choma, of course.
Choma?
Yes.
This cannot be Choma. The Choma I carried was dressing decent. Now what I'm seeing is somebody with a longer braided hair and changed face.
This is me.
See, let me tell you, I am going to drop you at where I picked you and then decide from there whether I'm going to carry you like this or not. You're unclean now. You're no longer clean. So I will drop you and see if I will take you or not. Let me tell you, I will not condone any nonsense, any wayo, any GPT, any 419. I will not condone. You dress this way. Look at how strange you're looking. To go and deceive somebody, and you're telling me to take you like that. Look, by the way you dressed or the way you are appearing now, you appear so unclean. So I'm not going to take an unclean human being who dressed to go and deceive somebody. No, I will not. I will take you back to where I picked you from, so that you go and take another distance.
What's the meaning of this?
I don't carry unclean human beings in my car. No.
Are you the person I'm going to see? Is the makeup your makeup? Please take me to where I'm going to.
Let me tell you, clean transport does not condone any nonsense. I am taking my left to go and drop you where I picked you.
What is the meaning of this?
Is to drop you where I picked you.
Inoma, take your right.
For what?
Jeez.
Take my right for what?
This is serious, oh. Is this how you are?
Let me tell you, this is my car. If you know, like you see Psalm 23 body written on it. Psalm 23 said that now, Jehovah I will not soil my hand, I will not put my hand into any unclean business to make money. No.
So you're actually taking me back to where you picked me from?
Yes.
What kind of a man are you?
Go and look for another taxi and let them take you there. You cannot be in my car and be unclean.
Inamadi upright here, Mr. Up and Doing, all the quackling and some 23. Inamadi were up and doing, Mr. Up and Doing, all the quackling and some 23. Jai, Mr. Right here, Inamadi up and doing, all the quackling and some 23.
I bought you a fried akara and fried plantain.
Biko, I do not have time for your fried akara and fried plantain. Ogalan was here and he gave us all till Sunday to pay our money. Else, he will lock us inside or lock us out. Go and pay him as soon as possible. I wouldn't want to be embarrassed. Go back in Kita.
So which one are you afraid of? Being locked outside or being locked inside? Which one are you afraid of? Let me tell you. I am not going to pay that man that money he is asking for. How could he increase what I used to pay? He increased it into something else. Adding 500 naira on top. Let me tell you, if he comes again, or however you want to convey it to him, tell him that I said, if he is ready to collect his usual, I am ready to pay because I have it. But adding 500 on top of what I used to pay is what I will not do because it is going to result unclean. And I will not indulge in any unclean activity. Mba.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Inoma, let me ask you, are you not ashamed of yourself? Look at the way you're running your mouth as if you built this house for him. If it's that easy, go and build your own. Listen, pay him his money. Pay our rent. If that man mistakenly throws us out, I will marry another man. I'm telling you the truth. I will marry another man. Okay, from where I know when I cover shame. This place that we are covering our shame. You want that man to throw us out so that the whole street will see that Hot Monica has been thrown out of her house. They can't even afford rent. Do not embarrass yourself. Inoma, do not insult yourself. If you know what is good for yourself, go and pay Oga landlord his money.
Clap for yourself, Monica. Monica said clap for yourself. So this is the reason you have refused us to have our own babies. Oh, Monica.
Please let me hear word. Which children? Oh, Hot Monica. Oh, you expect me to make babies for you? Inoma, let me ask you, where am I going to train my kids? Tell me, is it in this unconducive place that I'm trying to manage? I'm asking you. Listen, Hot Monica in Anya, when you're ready to get me a duplex, I will give you babies. I won't bring my kids. If you know what is good for your stupid self, go and make money. Settle Oga landlord before Sunday. Else, I will leave you.
You're giving a name to my house, unconducive. That's what you're calling a house that I brought you in. Look at you. You're already fashioning names for children you don't know. You don't even know if God is going to give you female. You're already giving them names, Jeglin, Sicklin, Becklin, Macklin, all sort of names. Do you know if God is going to feed you with girls? You're already fashioning name for boys. Look at you. Let me tell you. I am not going to, in fact, let me say it categorically. I am not going to pay that money. Hence, the landlord has decided to increase this money with 500 naira. I am not going to pay it. If he's ready to take the 2,000 as the usual rent, let him come and take it. But as for you, Monica, you said you are going to leave this house to marry another man. Ha! Monica, I am afraid of you. Look at the unclean things that comes out of your mouth.
Shut your mouth up and pay him. Save me this embarrassment. Save me this shame. Inania.
You see, like they see so, we don't share boundary now. I go to control that area to make better money. Any person will do anyhow, go see anyhow. You copy me so?
We dare your back.
That's so.
We dare your side. Do anyhow. Find trouble. Not before this area. We dare your back. Do anyhow where you like.
As it be so, we go find one road of thing. Nothing they happen. Anybody we no get our tickets, we go lick in tire.
We dare your back, Mama.
Now so, Mama kill you. The only woman where get left way past man. I throw away some Mama.
Not before this area. We go finish them. We go finish them for this area now.
Dare your back.
Let's go and work on this.
I'll work on it. It's just money. But if in case you're sweating, I have hanky. Let me give you hanky.
I don't need hanky.
The way, in fact, as a matter of fact, honestly speaking, one makeup is supposed to last you for 2 years. The amount of makeup you make is supposed to last you for 2 years. 2 good years.
Next 3 days.
Next 3 days.
Now you're right. Take this road.
This one?
Yes. Slow down. Because okay, they get there. Don't stop me by the gate. Stop now. Please. You will come back and pick me. I will be done like in 2 hours time. I will call you to come and pick me up. Please do not keep me waiting.
Okay, your money.
Inoma. Money for what?
For drop.
What drop? You brought me to see my friend. You're asking me to pay you for bringing me to this place. Am I supposed to be in this nonsense car? Respect yourself. Inoma, respect yourself.
Now you are the first customer I carried this morning. If you don't pay me, if you leave here on credit, that means every other customer I will carry today will ask for credit.
Do not refer to me as customer. Your wife, Ordinary Camry, you brought me to this place. You have the mouth to talk. I do not have your time. When I call you, come and pick me up.
Why won't I refer you as a customer? When you sat at the back as you went and sat at the back as a customer. Let me tell you, you're going to pay me. Because you don't have sense, Monica. If you have sense, Monica, you would have known that you will sit by my side. Because that is it. And I'm sure, if also you are also under the umbrella of Psalm 23, which is Jehovah Boyanazum Dekatro, Monica, you would have sat with me in the front. And judging by the oath we took in the church, for better for worse, that we shall remain together forever, you would have sat here with me as your husband.
I won't sit there with you, Inoma. I will not. I deliberately sat at the back.
Then deliberately pay me.
Come and pick me up when I call you.
You deliberately sat at the back. Come and deliberately pay me.
Come and pick me 2 hours time. I will call you when I'm done.
Oh, not when it will reach. Now you say I didn't come back with money. You're putting me credit this morning. Mpona, passengers credit. I want to hear you tell them.
Mama, I don't understand what they happen here today. That's all the keke people don't understand. Say we did this side. They don't even come this side again. Only 300 we don't make. What the verse? Mama.
My guess, make una no worry. We go make better money today. Calm down, Mona, calm down.
Mama, the verse. The verse. You know we need money now. Sure you know.
Ha, calm down, my guess, calm down. What's they happen? We go make better money. Mona, calm down. Go happen here, you see him. Just calm down.
Welcome.
The weather is so hot. Okay, you come out to all my makeup. I have to quickly come back. What's up now?
I thought you went out with your husband and he was supposed to bring you back.
No, that one. Yeah, I go back the husband, Dimapota. I don't even know the kind of man I got married to. Do you know I asked him to drop me off this morning? When we got to the place I was going to, he asked me to pay him. I'm telling you the truth, oh. My husband demanded money from me. Of course, I told him I don't have. So when I was coming back, I didn't need any of his drama. I have to chat back
But that your husband said, seriously, you need to take him to a doctor for a brain checkup. Could you believe the other day I took your husband on a job just to do my normal runs and come back? Your husband dropped me back to layout where he picked me from simply because I changed my look in his car, wearing my expensive makeup. He dropped me that this was not the trauma he picked from layout, that I've changed. Now I'm having a long hair and I'm wearing plenty paint on my face. I was like, this is trauma. At the end, he dropped me back at layout and I ended up losing the man I wanted to go and see and losing the money. Now, Monica, I said I will not take him again, no. Seriously, that money was huge and I lost it.
That's my husband for you. That's my husband. He doesn't want me to wear makeup. He doesn't want me to look good. He doesn't want, but I don't give a hoot about all that. I'm not gonna came my house, but you have to forgive my husband.
It's alright, then.
Oh,
welcome.
Hey, this latest this thing. Here's a makeup. One max. That's meeting you. You makeup. You got Rachael. I'll get that one tomorrow. Let me go and cook.
Alright, then. Thank you. Welcome. How do they survive? This man is so unserious. I'm telling you. Wow.
Ladder. Our Lord Jesus is a ladder. Ladder. Our Lord Jesus is a ladder. My brother, follow.
Follow the ladder. Follow the ladder. Follow the ladder.
To heaven, my brother, follow.
Follow the ladder. Follow the ladder.
Follow the ladder to heaven. I say ladder. Our Lord Jesus is a ladder. Child. Ladder. Our Lord Jesus is a ladder. My brother, follow
the ladder. Follow the ladder.
Follow the ladder to heaven. Libra Yanto Kabaya Bosh. Oh, so, my brother, son of Jah, how much is my money?
Okay, I don't need to discuss price with you because you are son of Jah. Let the will of Jah, let the spirit of Jah do whatever they want. You understand? I am happy that I'm carrying a son of Jah like you in my car. Judging by your white, tells that you are pure, you are clean. And you are here in a normal clean transport company. So I am happy. Whatever thing the spirit says, let it be done.
Okay. Kaliba Gaya Bosh. Brian, so. Yeah. It's alright. Just said I should give you 2K.
2,000. 2,000. It's 2,000. Heavenly money. This one that is 2,000. It's alright. If the spirit says give me 2,000, give me 2,000. There is no problem.
Yeah, they just be crazy. My brother, don't bother yourself. You know our Jah is not a poor God. He can never be a poor God.
Let Jah be
John, this is very, very confusing. So I decided to ask you. You say you school and work, right?
Yes.
But why is it that you go to this your school only when your phone rings? Even if it rings at night, you will leave. What course are you reading? When are you graduating?
I've told you this before, that I work and I study everywhere.
That's the same thing you've been telling me. You work and you study everywhere. That's wrong because one person can't study everywhere. So could you please tell me the name of your school? Okay, tell me what course? Public administration, banking and finance. Okay, medicine, law. Okay, when are you graduating?
My graduation is not close. I still have more years to cover up.
Okay. So what course are you reading?
I work everywhere. I study every
course. No, I said what course?
Every course.
Eh?
Don't worry, you won't understand. But pretty soon you will.
Every course?
Yes.
I'm school. Okay, when get every course? I'm school. What hot Monica?
Money be hot.
You quite say Monica na suit. So what more so?
Just calm down.
Check that side. Check.
Mama, I bet that Keke go show this area today. Almost see one better motor. Be that don't get fish. They show yourself.
What's your problem?
Bring money, my friend. Bring money.
Which money are you talking about?
We dey sell tickets for this road. So bring money, make I give you ticket.
Which ticket? I don't know. I don't understand the ticket you're talking about. Let me tell you, I am not paying for any ticket because I don't understand. You understand? Look at what is written here. This is Ino McLean Transport, aka Psalm 23, which says Jehovah Boyena Dikeh. So I am not going to pay for any ticket. In fact, anything you are talking about, I consider it unclean.
I go bust your tire if you not bring money.
Let me tell you, cool your temper.
Mama, see this guy, yo.
All this buru that you're doing, cool temper. I have seen more than this. You understand? I am not. Look, let me tell you. It's because did you say you were going to bust my tire?
I go bust them before, uncle.
You're going to bust my tire.
I go bust them. Nothing go do.
If not because I am in my right mood, I am in my happy mood, I would have ordered the son of Jah, the man of God inside this place, to invoke the wrath of God on you. In fact, to send down Holy Ghost fire to consume you.
Oh God, no one that's why they talk. Now what did happen there?
I am in my good mood, so consider yourself.
I know why here. Bring money, I go bust your head though.
Hey, no. Don't try it, don't try. I'm telling you. I'm not looking at your face. Son of Jack.
Who you be?
You don't know who you're talking to.
Bring money.
You don't know who you're talking to.
So now be the bad girls when they did this junction, they collect illegal money.
Bad girls.
One of them,
who you be? No one make bring money.
This is a man of God, though. Respect yourself, oh. He's going to invoke the wrath of God on you.
I go show you now. I don't craze for so many years.
You go bust your hair for years.
I don't craze. Stay. No,
I go break your head.
Yeah.
Break your head. What did I do that?
You put the chairman on that. You put the chairman.
You want to?
You want it? Craze? You want it?
So these people are abros. People cannot get me in this town. But you cannot get me in this town. Look at the way they are dressed in white garments, not knowing that they are street fighters. They are looking for somebody to kill. People cannot get me. I am covered under the umbrella of Psalm 23, which means Jehovah Boyena Dikeh. Jehovah Boyena Dikeh. One here Psalm 23 Guaram. Psalm 23 Guaram Kwashibi Ike. Like Jehovah Boyena Dikeh. You cannot get me. Bah. If you like, wear white garments, black garments, green garments, red garments. You cannot get me.
Mama, you say that man do us. That way go wear white garments. They want intimidate us for this town.
Says that they run like small pikin. I go finish that Jackman. For this town, you go hear him, I swear.
Now Jackman they call him.
Now Jackman.
I don't hear about her for this town, but we go deal with town.
For this town.
For this town, babes, una dey see am. For this town, I go show that guy something. He go hear am.
No worry, mama. You don't sabi.
See as I dey run like small pikin.
Monica, no be today. Anokwa. Me and you.
My husband, what is it now? What is it? I know it does not run in the daytime for nothing. If something is not after it, then it's after something. What is pursuing you?
I am happy you cited that idiot. Let me tell you. Yes, if a toad is not after something, something is after a toad. But in this case, we are not talking about a toad now. We are talking about a normal Nwokute. Monica, please.
What happened?
Please, if anybody, whoever, come looking for me, tell the person that I'm not around. As a matter of fact, I have had enough for today. Pico.
Mbachi, Ijukwego nata. I hope you came back with enough money. Makani aban. Every day different story. I'm a family have bro concept also geji doji ego okwesini m na abanya. In fact, Inoma. Ima Ijukwego bata. You have not told me what chased you back in the afternoon.
Monica, leave that talk. Honestly speaking, if I tell you what drivers see on the road, you will not understand. If I let us leave that one, let's talk something else.
Umaka, Ogala Lord was here, and this time around, he's very, very serious. I am tired of this man's disappointment. Why don't you just pay this man at once so we can have peace in this house?
I am not afraid of him at all. As a matter of fact, my house in the village is even better than this one here. I live comfortably in my house in the village. I am the first son of my parents. You understand? So I have the right to inherit everything. I am sure that hence things are not working here. It is going to work better there. Because the things I see in this city is even spoiling my mind. Everything in this city is unclean. So I am having a rethink of relocating back to the village to go and relax myself where I will have peace.
You are saying trash. You are saying trash. Oh, you are now thinking of relocating to the village. Instead of you to think on how to make money, take me to a flat, or better still, duplex. Here you are talking about going back to the village. I will not try that with you. Oga phone or Christmas. If you know what is good for you, pay this man. I've been telling you this, I've been singing this like a music, yet you wouldn't listen. Pay this man Enoma clean transport.
Let me ask you, is there war in my village?
I'm not going anywhere.
Monica, the last time I checked, I was still your husband.
The last time I checked, I am hot Monica. What is wrong with you? Go and pay that man, oh. Go and pay that man. You see that your village, I'm not going back with you. I won't try it. Go and village or some village. Village again. Either for London, either for America. I pass on me when I ban now.
I hope it's same gauge with the other one. It's okay.
Thank you.
Oga, please, I need the receipt for the air.
You should be that one again, Oga. Receipt.
Oga, let me tell you, you are here stationed at a place. If you see what I encounter with police on the road, the struggle, the fight, the battle that I used to have with police on the road.
Is it possible, Oga? They give receipt for this thing.
Anything I buy, from fuel, engine oil, bolt and nuts, I ask for receipt. Because me, Norma, I said to myself that my shishi kobo will not enter into the hand of any police. You understand? So please, just give me receipt so that I will have something to present.
You see me, since I dey work for this my workshop, reach now, I don't want to give any person receipt for hair. Because when you see, so you and I know, say, na God not get them.
Okay, it's as if you're not understanding my position. Well, if you don't have receipt for the air, take away your air and give me back my 15 naira. Please let me go and look for somebody.
See what I tell you. I take my hair. I'll give you your money. Okay, now for they pump this tire where you see for here. You know they're possible now.
You are not getting what I'm saying. This police people can be something else. And I have said that me, Enorma Clean Transport, look at what is written here. Enorma Clean Transport, aka Psalm 23, which states that Jehovah Boyenasum de Katoro, I will not give police my shishi. You understand? I am a clean man, so I will not do anything unclean. Sir, look for any paper, however, just write anything on top.
Paper.
Write the receipt, give it to me.
Eh, the paper you talk, I'm not going for paper now.
Look for paper, just write the price, everything, write it on top. Because this police, I'm telling you, you don't understand, you are here.
Send a message across to him as quickly as possible, because this is very important. Tell him that he needs to take over your late father's Ozo title, because the town cannot have more than the 4 cardinal Ozos allotted to it. Your late father was fortunate enough to inherit his own late father's title. I am afraid that if it were to be today, he cannot afford what it takes to take another title. So tell him to come back immediately and claim that which rightly belongs to him, or the seat will be declared vacant. And he stands the risk of losing in everywhere. This is very urgent and important.
Okay, Nai. I will call him right away. Eh? I will call him right away and tell him. Get it? I will tell him.
All right. Do it as fast as possible.
I will tell him.
I must be on my way now.
Thank you, everybody. Hi, that was up.
Thank you.
Nai, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Hey. I will call him now.
Yeah, Choma. So what you are saying is that she did not see me. She did not hear when I was shouting at Obin outside, and she ran inside. Are you reaching Egwam?
Oga landlord, but her door is locked from outside now. I told you she went to the market to buy some sewing materials for herself, and her husband is not yet home.
Tomorrow is Sunday. It's by tomorrow they will get to know me very well. Oga
landlord, calm down now. These people are my people. They will pay up their rent. Chill.
Tomorrow I will lose all this roof. They will know me tomorrow.
Please, they will pay all.
Nonsense.
Landlord is okay now. Don't worry, I will tell.
Nonsense.
Johnny, is he going? Hi. Thank God. I almost died inside that toilet. Ne, that Oga landlord is very troublesome, and my husband is stubborn. Hi. Afofo. Ne, it's not easy. This Oga landlord is very, very troublesome, and my husband too is stubborn. Pay this man, he wouldn't listen. Just your bro, if I call my keja, I'm not able. Hi.
You and your husband should try and pay him up. Seriously. If not, I will not include my mouth in this lies. I will not lie to him again.
Who pay? It's when I know change you go.
Are you back from the market?
I hear Church.
Joma, I know you are lying to me. But by tomorrow, and my money is not ready.
Emergency. Hi. But I thought you said he has gone.
How would I have
But you would have checked well now.
Check. The man is shouting like this.
You know, Oga landlord was here, and he was very, very serious this time around.
Don't mind, we're leaving.
To where? How?
The Ozo title in the village, they're asking me to come and take it. Decide either to sell it or keep it, or continue from where my father stopped. Let me tell you, Monica, hence things are not working here. I am sure and certain that it is going to work perfectly okay in the village. That place is a place where we will no longer have, won't be given quick notice we will no longer have increment of house rent. Even the official rent, we will not even have to pay. It is going to be our own home, and our home shall it be. You know that?
What are you
Can you know what?
No, 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 that's village.
I had a village.
Enorme.
So relax yourself.
Enorme. Enorme.
Monica.
Enorme. Enorme.
Monica. All right.
This is the way they like. So what did happen?
You know, I've been here for a very long time. You know, I was driving. I began to notice one or two, so I decided to come and bring the car. So having seen you with this beautiful lady, I don't need to ask what kept you. Mechanic, you haven't introduced her to me. Who is she to you?
Okay, no man. The first one they want to see my life with you. The first one I want carry put my heart as my wife.
Oh, thank God.
Now my biggest customer be this one, and one of them be that. Now the people where they make things happen for this time, you get. As she fresh like so, the money follow join you. You get. Greet her now, greet her.
Oga, good evening, sir.
Okay, it's all right. Sister, this is your fiancé or husband to be. He couldn't even mention your name to me. Please, what is your name?
Okay, no ma, easy na. Must you know her name? Now my wife to be. You don't do.
Don't your wife to be have a name? Or is it a crime to ask?
It's not necessary for now.
Is it a crime to ask for her name?
It's not necessary.
It's all right, no problem. Mechanic, I have a long journey to make tomorrow. Okay. You understand? So I want you to do overhauling. Check this car very well. Make sure everything is intact. Make it sound because it has a long way to go tomorrow. Yota, please make sure it is well done. I'll do it well. Let me do it all across the road and get
Mr. Up and Doing, Sam 23.
Yes, so I'm waiting for this troublesome landlord, but he has refused to come.
People will park, me I will park too. Because you're the only friend I have in this town. I'm telling you the truth.
I'll be checking up on you from time to time. Manachome, can you finally tell me what you do for a living?
Monica, you look sharper and sound sharper than this now. Try and cool.
Cool, Dukwa?
Yes, cool.
Nah, Papa ni hen nature.
I'll miss you. That's just my own word.
I'll miss you today. My break is over. Let me go and pack my things so I can settle my customers.
Mechanic. Until you're done.
Again, number. Yeah. We don't finish you. It's just some damaged washer. But we don't change that. Everything don't sharp now. Easy and now they don't do.
It sounds now, eh?
Nah, one scrap like that, we did behind. I just put it from. Your car don't sharp now.
You did what? You collected the washer from another car to put in my. You go remove it.
Okay, the owner of the car no even need the key again. The car na scrap. We use pass from there, fix cars now. As your car, then I don't do okay.
Mechanic, because remove it. That is robbery, and I don't want to be associated with robbery. Let me go to a camp or any place to go and buy those washers and rubbers that damaged. But you see, taking something that belongs to another, I am not part of it, and I will never be part of it. So because remove it.
Okay, this your car suffer me, no be small low. As in, the place where I enter, bring am, come put inside your car. The thing close to gearbox, so no be small thing.
I don't see anything wrong with this. Honestly, the car in question is even an abandoned car.
Madam, please, I want to crave your indulgence. When you saw that car, did you see the car anything written on it like McLean Transport? Was I the person that abandoned the car? Taking something that belongs to another is what I do not like. It is unclean. So because tell him to remove it because I don't want to be associated with robbery.
You never change up till now, no. Which kind of thing be this one now? Your car don't clean. Now what you need?
My brother, this thing you're saying, I'm not party to it because remove all these things.
You never change you.
Yeah, I've always told you I don't like this your line of business, so I have to change it too.
Remove it. I want to go to the camp now and buy one or two washers. Before I return, please, move tell me in there so that I can put my own.
I don't understand this your work. Don't say your car na even new one, sir.
Did he go?
Not yet.
Monica, please, do you have a change, like 5 naira? Let me use it to go and settle our bucket that I bought matches from. Oh?
5 naira that he must have forgotten. That's why you're disturbing yourself. Forget that money. Let me
tell you, Monica, being who I am, I will not hold somebody's money. Whether he has forgotten it or not, as far as I know that I am owing, being a claim man that I am, I would not like to hold somebody's something. On this journey that we're about to embark, I don't want to have any history that I am keeping somebody's money. Whether the one he forgot or not, I need to go and sort it. So please give it to me. Let me go and settle this.
I don't have. Okay, fine. Give me 5,000 naira. There's this new powder that I want to buy. It's very cheap. It's 4,900. So if you give me 5,000 naira, I'll buy it with 4,900. Enter keke with 50 naira. Buy granite and chewing gum with 45 naira and make it 5 naira. Are you good?
Let me tell you, Monica, I have always told you to be clean at all times. I am a normal clean transport. I have operated such transportation system. I will not allow you change me. Change, Monica, change. Let your footprint signify cleanliness. Let everything you do signify cleanliness. Monica, down. Every time makeup. I'm asking for 5 naira. You're telling me I should give you 5,000 to go and buy this thing. No problem. I will go and sort any way out to settle this out. I will not go with anybody's money. Any person's money will not go with you. I have got you. I got you today. Shut up. I have only shut up. Yes! Who are you? Shut up your mouth. Me. In fact, you say we. Say we. Because you are we. Let me tell you, Oga landlord, I have only spent 6 days after the expiration of my rent. You understand? So what you're going to do now is tell me how much is your rent for 6 days. Let me pay you. Because as I speak to you, by noon tomorrow, I'll be leaving this place. So bomb your price.
Where are you parking to?
Is that the price?
Are we quarreling?
Is that the price for 6 days? Is that the price for 6 days? I want to know.
Are we fighting? You know, just give me whatever you have.
Okay.
Whatever you have.
Let me tell you, judging by size, I am not your man. I am supposed to be your boy. Look at, oh yeah, let us measure size. Look at you. I am 7 of you. 7 of me is 1 of you. So I'm not your man. But that's me here. Okay, landlord, let me tell you. The 2,000 naira rent per month, that one I know of. The sudden increment you put on top, the 500 naira you added, I am not in agreement to that or with that. You understand? Mm-hmm. Now, the 2,000 naira monthly due or your house rent per month, 2,000 naira, let us break it down. I want to break it down in a way you will understand. You understand? Now, 2,000 naira divided by 31 days, that makes a month. You will see that it will give you bako. It will give you 66 naira 67 kobo. Now 66 naira 67 kobo, multiply it by 6. It will give you bako. Hey, it will give you 367 naira 60 kobo, which is back these 6 days. So I am going to give it to you so that it will stop disturbing me. Because as I'm about to embark on this journey, I don't want to go with any person's money with me. You hear that? Now, this is 400 naira. This is 400 naira. Minus 367 naira, 60 kobo from this 400 naira, and give me my change here and now. In fact, why am I even asking you? I am sure you don't have change. Let me go down the road. I am owing an aboki man. Let me go and sort the aboki man. By the time I finish sorting him, I would have gotten change to come and give to you. So relax yourself. You understand? As I'm going, I don't want to owe anybody, not even you.
I don't want you to park out.
I shouldn't park.
Where are you?
Oh, you don't want me to park?
No.
I should stay. Then give me certificate of occupancy.
I
said give me certificate of ownership. And you don't want me to park. In fact, for road.
In my own house.
By your own mansion.
Hey,
let me tell you, this is a shrine, not even a house.
Come, this man, why are you stopping?
Is he not checking point again?
I gotta go now.
all your papers and even the receipt of your papers, they're all complete.
No, I bought new tire. I don't know if you need the receipt.
I think
Okay, they go now, they go. And they go. We don't need you.
Bad
Go.
luck, man.
They go.
They go.
I'm sure if you even ask him the receipt of this road he's driving on, man will give you. This man is
Don't
something
mind
else.
this man.
This man, he's not human.
I dey fear him. I dey fear him.
Person like him tie. No, they even settle us for road. Now then one more hunger there they kill us.
Pump.
Organize you. You go be later, I beg. I not get receipt for oil today. Yeah, I beg.
No.
Next time, no worry.
Come. Don't bother yourself about the receipt. Formerly, I used to tell you police how they disturb me on the road. These days, police no longer disturb me. At the mention of enormous clean transport, police gives way. So, receipt is not going to be a problem. Just pump it like that.
Okay, if you pump am.
Pump, don't worry yourself. You know, I have a journey ahead. Let me pump it.
Okay, now no problem.
Hey, jabo, see inama. Inama di kelina mano. Mr. Up and Doing, on the bakelina na some 23. Inama di upright, yeah. Mr. Up and Doing, on the bakelina na some 23. Inama di wa up and doing, Mr. Up and Doing, on the bakelina na some.
Madam Monica. Hot Monica, it's go.
Hi. Okay. I just brought this clothes for you to help me amend it.
Yeah, it's quite unfortunate. I won't be able to do that.
Hi.
Yes, I'm relocating.
To where?
You won't understand it.
But I can come here to collect it now.
You don't know where I'm relocating to. Simply take it to another person. You know, go.
Oto with it.
Oh, to our woman.
Wow. So I should go with it.
Take it to another person.
Okay. Let me go and check the.
Check in the dua no number.
Oh wow.
Thank you. Hey, you on your way? Hi, Dikeh. No problem. I will prepare a delicious ohaku for you. Me go taga for you. Me go talk. You know go. Hey, are you serious? Oya no now. So Biko, I'm at home. I'm waiting for you. Can I find Monica? You know go. Hey, madu. Oya no now. I'm at home. Hey! Chibo! Obi na so muriko, obi na so mama Chineke na-eme m kpọrịkpọrị mara ebere Chineke gewe obi mo n'anya n'iru m ngozi n'anya n'azụ m ngozi. Hey! Hey!
Very slow.
My dear, slow and steady wins the race. No? Don't worry yourself. Let's just be moving coolly. We'll soon arrive.
I'm hungry.
Don't worry. When we get to any bus stop or anywhere, we'll buy something and eat. Yeah? It's better to be late than to be late. So let's be moving coolly. If not for all these bad roads, we would have gone farther than this. You know.
So, you assure me that they are on their way now?
No, they are on their way. They are coming. If they did not make it this afternoon, before evening they will be here. They are on their way. They are coming.
It's all right.
Yes.
I will now go home and relay the message to them.
No problem.
Thank you.
Go and sleep. He's coming. He's my brother. He's coming at night. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi. Also title. Imo, my brother. Hi. Chimu. Okay.
Wait, oh. Do you know that this problem could be from the mechanic? I am sure that because when I took this car to the mechanic because of this our journey, I said put 1 or 2 fix things in order for me because I'm traveling. This boy said he is going to use some worn out washer from another person's car to put for me. I said no. Do not put anything from another person's car, whether new or old, because it is going to be an unclean something. Putting it in my car will make it unclean, and I don't want it at all. Let me go to Mbuka and buy. I am sure. In fact, I went to Mbuka myself and bought the washer and boat that we tied. I am sure when I went to Mbuka to go and buy, this boy must have taken 1 or 2 washer from another person's car, which I warned against, to put here. And now this thing is unclean.
Listen. Look for a stone and heat around the engine. Let's see if this car will start. I'm sure this must be the plans of the enemy so we can get stuck here.
No. Leave enemy on this. Let me... My mind is telling me something. Let me try it. Check, I'm trying.
Do not lose what you cannot title. I don't know when you suddenly turn to a mechanic.
Don't worry yourself. Worry less. What? Worry less.
Oh God.
Just check that thing for me.
These are just the things.
I told you that you're opening the milk market or something. Be clean at all times. Be clean at all times. I thought that much. Let us go. Sorry about that.
I don't want this to happen again.
No, it will not happen again.
You mean they have packed? Oh my God. Where are my clothes? I'm talking to you. Where are my clothes?
Hey! Take it easy. Calm down. The dirty clothes you brought from her to amend for you are here. Just relax. Let me bring them for you. Stop yelling down this compound. See.
Jesus Christ. What did he just do?
You saw me when you walked in here making up, and I've not even concluded my makeup. You want to bring down this room because of this dirty clothes. Please take it and get her from here.
Is that the reason why you should throw my clothes on me like that? I don't blame you. You know what? You are just an idiot. Ononkite enwefe.
Go. What did you call me? What did you just say? What did you say?
You had me right.
What did you call me?
That's just what you
In this compound? Me, Shoma?
Stop that! Stop that!
Dirty chicken. Animal. Let me meet you in this compound today.
Jibi na kwina ma inama kele transport ay jebo si inama inama kele transport inama di clean mano Mr. Up and Doing all the clean na some 23 inama di upright Mr. Up and Doing all the clean na some 23 inama di up and doing Mr. Up and Doing all the clean na some 23 Jai Mr. Right here inama di up and doing all the clean na some 23 Ikane pulili ina Mr. Clean Imakwa clean Mbo clean Unclean Gala wege Abula fe inama Odogwa, nwoke zuru ezu, akwa kwuru n'okwukwe. Inoma, the man of the complete.
Vote for your brother for change. Power. Peace and stability. Power. I say, you have done well. I am overwhelmed in this your kind gesture. I tell you something. I am assuring you that I will never disappoint you.
Amen.
If I mount that office, I shall make you proud.
Okay. Some people
like you said,
money, they do.
backward never, frontward ever. It is even in the scripture. Psalm 23.